Hey guys, today we talk about how can you change password on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on more down here and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this is here. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just you come here to edit profile, click on it, you just click on it here, sorry. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just switch into open video here, then you click here on change password. So then here add new password, and here repeat it, then you click on save changes, then it's going to change with you here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.